Oh, little mermaids. Let's see. Today we're gonna bring a jewelry making kit, and this is perfect for kids of all ages. And we're gonna open it up to see what you get. But just make sure if you have little babies or younger kids, make sure you supervise them because there's some choking hazards. All right, so be careful about that before you start, and make sure you look at the items too, that they're safe enough for them to actually start using. So we got a couple of jewelries here. You guys can see it. We're gonna go over a couple. We're gonna start making one. Beautiful little jewelry sets. If you guys can see, look at the charms. Look at that. Different size of bracelets too. Beautiful. Some string bracelets to actually cloth bracelets. We're gonna bring everything out, and they give the instructions, including how to make some designs too. Alright, so here we have the whole included kit itself, instructions, some materials to make a charm or necklaces, if you guys can see this, and then shorter versions of it, and metal ones. And here's all the little beautiful charms that they have, different designs, different colors. And of course, look at the marble colors that they have in here, different rainbow colors. And also they give you some metal pieces of it for bracelets. And much more, including best friends and so forth. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So let's go ahead and put something together. All right, so we have a couple of products, and we're gonna have Sabrina explain to us. So go ahead, Sabrina.
This is my favorite one because, like, even though it was kind of hard to get all these little charms through, that's why I made another bracelet, because some of them, these little rings, when you're going to put them in, sometimes some are bigger than others, so it's harder to get these ones in. But it was fairly simple. I like this one, and then these two are like BFF bracelets where you can like give one to your friend and then keep one. They're kind of like a little charm. And then the bracelets, oh, these are really pretty. I really like this one and this blue one.
How long did it take you to do all of them?
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And your favorite again?
My favorite is this one.
Oh, little mermaids. Let's see. So I hope you guys liked the video.